What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I am back with another video for you. And today I'm going to show y'all how I create my baby hairs with this lace front wig. So this is just what I do to make my baby hairs for my lace fronts. So get you like a rat tooth comb, a comb with small teeth, so that you can part your baby hairs correctly. So you want to get to the front of the front of the lace. Get to the front of the lace, and you're going to have to part out a very small thin piece in the front, which will be your baby hairs. So you don't want to make it too thick. So this right here looks a little thick to me, so I'm reparting it to make it a little thinner. And you can make it as thick or thin as you like. This is just what I like. So I want mine to be a little bit more thinner. So yeah, that works just fine for me. That's like perfect, I think. So once you have you a good part, try to comb back the rest of the hair so that it can definitely be separated. I spray my Jamaican and mango lime spray. It smells so good. Next, you want to grab you a pair of scissors, preferably some shears that are very sharp. Mine aren't the shears. I don't know where mine are. I didn't feel like looking for them. So I grabbed some scissors and I kind of cut it in a diagonal, like so. And voila, you have baby hairs. But of course they're gonna stick out, so grab your best edge control and we're gonna start slicking it down. So once you have enough edge control, you can go ahead and start styling your baby hairs or swooping them how you like. Now me, I also use my real baby hairs right there. The second portion is my real baby hair. So it can look a little bit more natural as well. On this lace, I only wanted to do the front part of the lace for baby hairs. I didn't want to go all the way down for the sides. So I just did the baby hairs for the front part of the hair. And then I kind of blended in my own baby hairs on the side to kind of make it more natural. Now, if you want to go down the sides, you just do the same thing as you did up top. You just still have to create a small layer of baby hair down the sideline of your hair. So right here, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And again, I'm just doing the top part, the front part of my hair. That's all for the baby hairs. And again, you want to cut in a diagonal cut. Now, ideally, once you have your baby hair slicked down, you would grab a scarf or whatever you want to tie the baby hairs down so that, of course, they would stay. So I skipped that part, but definitely I would advise you to wrap your baby hair with some sort of scarf and tie it down for, a good 20 minutes or so that your baby hairs will stay laid. So they'll stay laid and slayed, okay? Ooh, those baby hairs are looking fleeky. I like it. And we're done. It's pretty much, that's it. That's easy. Easy peasy. Let me tell you. Okay, so this, like I said, was a lace front with no baby hairs, and I created them just like that. And bam, we're finished. I like it. I think I like it. I really do. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below because I'll get to them. Hey, that's right. Baby hair's looking good. Okay. Well, that's all I have for you guys in this video. And I appreciate you watching. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.